How you doing, guys? In today's video I'm going to be explaining how to remove the rear light trim piece, and the tools that are required are a trim removal set. As you can clearly see here, what I've done is I've placed tape all around the rear trim piece. Now what this does is when I use the trim tool, it will stop me scraping or scuffing any of the paintwork. Okay, so I'm going to make a start at the bottom using the trim tool, and what I'll do is I'll go around all of the chrome trim piece, gently pushing and pulling using the trim removal tool until I hear an audible click, and then that way I know that the trim is actually being released from the light. And it's just a matter of working all around the ring, taking your time, working methodically until the trim comes loose. As you can see with the plastic trim here, there's just little sort of holes here, and then they just clip into the light surround, and that's all it holds it in. So yeah, it's very simple. It's just a case of lining up the trim and then pushing with a little bit of pressure all around the ring until you hear an audible click, and then that way you know that the clips have made contact with the rear light. And all I'm doing now is just simply removing the tape, and then I'll give the car a clean. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.